One token, 7 days, 4,000%. RAVE hit an all-time high of $19.66 on April 15th. Within 24 hours it dropped 40% and most people still don't know what actually happened here. ravedao is a Web3 collective for EDM events on Ethereum. Real utility, staking token burns from event revenue, community governance. They've reportedly sold out events across Europe, the Middle East and Asia. More substance than most tokens that move like this, but the chart had nothing to do with any of that. 90% of the total supply sits in just 3 wallets, only 24% is in circulation. Those wallets transferred $30 million worth of RAVE to Bitget, signaling a dump. Traders went short, then the tokens got pulled back on-chain, spot price got aggressively pumped and every short got liquidated. Over 70% of traders were on the wrong side. RAVE briefly ranked third globally by future liquidations behind only Bitcoin and Ethereum. Classic short squeeze deliberately set up. All-time high was $19.66, current price is around $15, already 40% of the peak, and there's no real support until the $4 to $5 range. The fully diluted valuation is 12 billion, market cap is 3 billion, that gap is locked supply that hasn't hit the market yet. RSI is still above 80, manipulation concerns are now being discussed openly across crypto media. If you're trading RAVE right now, you're trading momentum in a structure that was built to be volatile, that can work with a defined exit and a strict stop loss. With both, it's not a trade. You can find a Bitget affiliate link in the description. Subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video.